Hey everyone, this is Carla Nay, and today I wanted to share with you something I discovered in Create Beta and what I think it means for the future of Merch by Amazon. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in Merch by Amazon's Create Beta, and I am going to click off of all of these options except for the standard t-shirt. Let's go ahead and put in a demonstration title here. I'm just going to put in a very simple description for right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and post this. Alright everyone, so now I am back and my product that I added earlier is live, and as you can see here, when I click on here it says this product is live, and because it's live I can't do anything. But here's the part I wanted to show everyone, and then I'll tell you what I think it means. Okay, so now I can, even though I have already published this product, I can go on here and I can add any of these products that I want to add, including if I wanted to do the German translation. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And as you can see, everything is good on here. And so then you'll want to go through and choose the colors that you want. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so, and then I can select my image for the hoodie and get that on there. And select my details for that. Put whatever price I want on here. And then I can click on the German and I can just add my German translation if I'm ready to do that. And the reason I think this is exciting that you can go in here after publishing products to Create Beta is because when they add new products to the Create Beta, you won't have to go in, I'm assuming you won't have to go in and do a whole new Create Beta, type in your new, your title and description and all that again, because that's already going to be in there. You've already published it to probably all these products that are in here, and then if they add new products to the Create Beta, then you can just go to all of your existing live Create Beta products and just go back up to select products, and whatever new products they're going to add in here, you'll just be able to, these will all say that they're live like the standard t-shirt does, and then you could just go in here and click, maybe they add baby onesies, and maybe this is a design that's appropriate for a baby onesie, and then you just click baby onesie, and then hit continue, and then select your colors, and everything down here is already filled in for you. So then when you're done with that, you click the review, and as you can see it added the new products, and then you're going to hit submit. And I find that extremely exciting that we'll be able to do that and not have to create new, go into Create Beta, a new time and enter all that information, and again it'll already be there. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so that you'll be notified of more videos that I make. Thank you. Bye.